On March 28, 2023, a powerful hurricane wind blew through the Georgian city of Batumi and its suburbs. The wind speed reached 90 kilometers per hour. A tree fell on a car and took a man's life. There are injured people. The wind knocked down the roofs of the houses, felled trees and fences, and scattered pieces of glass. Local residents say there has not been such a hurricane in Georgia for many years.
In the evening, the sky suddenly darkened. The weather suddenly began to change. And then there was such a strong squall wind that it began to tear down heavy umbrellas and capes on the various cafes. Waste containers flew maybe 200 to 300 meters away from where they were originally located. I mean those big plastic containers. Garbage was flying everywhere, as if it was being swirled around in a whirlwind. Palm trees everywhere. It seemed palm trees were about to be uprooted. People were grasping these palm trees, trying to hold them as tightly as they could. I would say a kind of pre-panic state, because you do not know what to do in such a situation. You don't have any understanding, any skill, of what could be coming. In the world right now, with the climate, with all this, everything is changing. And it's changing globally. You can see that it's already affecting every country. And not only does it affect every country, but it's happening dramatically. No one expects anything to happen tomorrow.